Yes, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Lidinia Marciano from Philippines.
Yes.
How old are you? I'm 49 years old, and I have 3 kids, 28, 26, and 16 years old, my youngest.
Yes. What is your working experience?
I'm worked before since 2004 up to 2009 in Iraq as laundry attendant, and after that I go home, then go apply in Japan for housemaid also, and taking care newborn baby for 3 years, and they have my employer is American.
Yes.
And they are U.S. Navy.
Okay. And
so
then?
I do housemaid also, cleaning, cooking, and my main working is for the baby.
Okay.
And after that, for 3 years I go back home and taking care of my baby. Then after that, I want to apply in Hong Kong.
Okay. Okay. So, do you know how to cook Japanese food and Chinese food?
Because their food is Western.
Western.
So, yeah.
How about Chinese food?
I'm really want to learn how to cook Chinese food.
So you can read recipe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.